Hey folks, this is Vageline here and welcome back to Who's That Girl? In today's video we are back with this wig from Nutique Illuze. Her name is Nella and I got her in the number 2. I'm just doing a quick recap so you can be reminded of her specs. Now she's glueless, she's hand-tied, lace, pre-plucked HD lace. She has a natural baby hairs, 100% temp fibers. This is what the hair is looking like straight out the box. And she comes with the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable strap, as well as an adjustable elastic band for a glueless wear. And she literally has no tracks. So when they say hand tied, they mean it. Now that I got all that out of the way, let's go into cutting this wig.
Okay, so this wig from Nutique Illuze, she is very long. She's cute, but I feel like all this is technically unnecessary. And I want to cut her. I'm going to cut her. Should I cut her? We're going to cut. It's going to happen. The problem is, to me, I feel like right here is a good length. So I'm going to cut maybe here. Oh, child. Alright, wish me luck. I got the scissors in my hands. Oh, child. I ain't never did this before. First time for everything. Alright, I'm looking in the camera. Let me look in the mirror to do this. Okay. I want here, but I'm going to cut just a little bit further. Only because I'm not too sure what she's going to look like. Oh my God, I can't believe I just did that. Okay. We did that. Okay, I said right here, but I'm gonna cut a little bit further because I'm not too sure what she's gonna look like. So, I'm so scared. All right.
I just took the filter off so y'all can see what she's really giving. Short. I should have put like a shirt on or something. So I'm gonna, oh my God, make sure all this stuff comes off on me. Oh my God, baby, she needs a little nip. She needs a little nippy nip, like this little piece right here. Oh Lord, I'm scared. I don't like to cut, and I'm cutting at an angle, folks. Baby, I say, who's that girl? I mean it. Ride the Maverick. Ride the Maverick. Yes, Daddy. She is everything. She looks the F good. And I think she looks better the way she is now. Yeah. Y'all let me know in the comments below what you think of Miss Nella. Turn around to the back to see what she's giving. Miss Nella from Nutique Illuze. Snaps up because this is poetry in motion. Alright folks, thank you for making it all the way to the end. If you happen to like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. And cut her, and slay her, and do all the things that I do. Okay? You will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.